Do you have a vegan friend or family member? While parties often feature luxurious meats like beef and seafood, did you know you can host an equally delicious and lavish gathering with entirely vegan dishes? In this video, we'll guide you through creating an incredible vegan feast that everyone will adore. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. First things first, understanding the basics of vegan cuisine. When planning your vegan dinner party, it's essential to understand the foundations of vegan cuisine. Vegan cooking relies on a variety of plant-based ingredients that replicate the textures and flavors of traditional animal-based products. By mastering key ingredients and substitutions, you can create delicious, satisfying meals that everyone will enjoy, whether they follow a vegan diet or not. Second, essential ingredients for a vegan menu. To craft a refined vegan dinner party menu, start with the right ingredients. The foundation of vegan cuisine lies in fresh, vibrant vegetables, legumes, nuts, and plant-based alternatives. Key ingredients like chickpeas, cashews, avocado, and nutritional yeast can transform everyday meals into exquisite dishes that will leave your guests feeling satisfied. Third, clever vegan substitutions. Transforming traditional recipes into vegan-friendly versions requires creativity with ingredient swap. For dairy, coconut milk, cashew cream, or soy milk provide rich alternatives. Nutritional yeast or vegan cheese can replace cheese in savory dishes. For eggs, flax seeds or chia seeds work wonderfully as binders, and silken tofu is an excellent substitute for creamy desserts. Fourth, designing your vegan dinner party menu. A vegan dinner party menu is your chance to showcase the creativity and richness of plant-based cuisine. By balancing flavors, textures, and visual appeal, you can take your guests on a culinary journey. Start with light appetizers, follow with a hearty main course, and finish with a decadent dessert for a memorable dining experience. Fifth, curating a cohesive dining experience. A well-thought-out menu ensures your guests are treated to a delightful culinary journey. Start with appetizers that are visually striking and full of flavor. A beautiful platter of roasted vegetables paired with hummus or avocado crostini can set the tone for the meal ahead. Follow this with light but flavorful soups, such as a spiced butternut squash soup or a refreshing gazpacho depending on the season. Sixth, appetizers, opening with style. The key to an impressive vegan dinner party is to begin with creative and indulgent appetizers that excite the taste buds. Think beyond typical veggie platters and explore more elaborate options that showcase the versatility of plant-based ingredients. Stuffed mushrooms, mini tartlets, or spinach tortilla pinwheels are all great choices to start the evening. Seventh, main course, the heart of the meal. Focus on dishes that are both flavorful and filling. Vegan proteins like king oyster mushrooms, cauliflower, and lentils provide heartiness without feeling heavy. Consider dishes like vegan Wellington filled with mushrooms and lentils or savory cauliflower steaks with a creamy tahini drizzle. Lentil stew spiced with cumin, coriander, and cinnamon offer warmth and complexity. 8. Desserts, sweet endings. No dinner party is complete without a decadent dessert. For chocolate lovers, a rich, velvety chocolate mousse made with avocado and cacao powder provides a luxurious yet healthy finish. Pistachio tarts, spiced fig tarts, or double chocolate brownies are all excellent choices to end the meal on a sweet note. 9th, finishing touches for the event. As the dinner wraps up, ensure you have a smooth cleanup. Use warm water and gentle detergent for cleaning wine glasses and serving dishes. Gathering feedback from your guests about their favorite dishes can help refine your menu for future events. Finally, keep the culinary inspiration alive. Continue exploring new recipes and ideas for future dinner parties. Each gathering is an opportunity to create special memories and try new flavors. Encourage your guests to share their favorite dishes or ideas for your next dinner party, keeping everyone engaged and excited. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.